we're here at Vegas last round. It's gonna be fun. Long season, so it's almost over. Good thing it's in a nice spot in Las Vegas because we get to go out and have some fun too. So yeah, it's gonna be a good weekend.
Good so far. Going to the end of the night with third place qualifier, so we made some improvements between qualifier 1 and 2, so I'm feeling really comfortable on the bike. Times are close, very close. So it's the usual Vegas. It's gonna be hard pack, gonna be a little slick, and yeah, it's time to go do it. I mean, this is for all the marbles. So yep, nothing left to improve. So let's go do it.
Yeah, dry, hard pack, a little slippery, and we're running the scoop, so we're fighting traction out there. But yeah, I tried running the paddle and I was like a second off in the sand, so that's not gonna work. So we're basically running the scoop for that alone. But yeah, we're having a good time. Felt good in qualifying, ended up 4th, and ready for the motos.
Yeah, Vegas, final race of the year, pretty crazy, and so far so good. Qualifying went well for me, ended up 7th, and yeah, track's a little difficult. It's pretty challenging, one line a little bit, but you're fighting like the sand mixed with the hard pack and then kind of over water, so it's definitely interesting. And bike setup wise, we haven't changed anything all day, so that's nice. And yeah, it's just when you're trying to mix it all, it's hard to make it great here in the desert.
The day's been interesting so far, but we're going to turn around for tonight. I think it's going to come down to 2 good starts, and yeah, we just got to execute. I'm just going to be the best version of myself. That's all I can do. So I'm going to go out there and yeah, be the best me and put 20 solid minutes together, and I think we'll end up in a good spot. And I'm just going to ride aggressive and yeah, just be confident, and yeah, I know where I belong, so we're going to go execute on that.
That track is pretty tricky.
I wouldn't. Yeah, it's a little different for sure. I think it's definitely hard packed. Not a whole lot of lines, like not a lot of ruts out there. So it's going to be a lot of fighting traction. But I think tonight will be a little better. It's been pretty muddy all day. They've had to water it a lot. So I think tonight we're going to have the best racetrack we've had, and hopefully we can execute on it.
Max, how's the day going so far, bro?
All right, well, we're here in Vegas. It's a special track, definitely. That's for sure. It's always weird when you come to Vegas, but no, we've made some progress. In qualifying, I felt pretty decent. It was pretty wet and slick for us, being the unseeded group. But I actually came out like, I mean, 9th, I think, overall total, and I was 2nd in that group. But I was pretty happy. Masterpool was going fast, but I felt like I was in a good spot. The LCQ rolled around, it was carnage. Like Dax went down, loads of guys went down on the first couple laps, and honestly, I was just like, I just need to ride around and make it through this race, because it was. Sun was going down, it was super slick, easy to make a mistake. So I brought it home in 3rd. Wasn't my finest ride, but it's okay. I'm still ready to rock and roll and focus on these next 2 races.
All right, that's wrap on qualifying. I wouldn't say that went well. So we are gonna lock in. We'll be good though. I always figure it out when it comes down to race time. So yeah, 2 motos. Last race of the year besides Disney Nations, so I'm more than happy to get this over with.
The world title in the balance. Let's go racing. Deegan a good start, but he's too far outside. Cole Davies, who had a huge crash in qualifying, he has gone down again.
Well, look at his handlebars on the right side are definitely tweaked down.
Deegan working on D. Francisco on the Rockstar gas. The focus still on Deegan, who's got to make a couple of moves to even get Shimoda in sight. He's about 5 seconds off the lead early.
How can he attack this race?
Oh, Deegan has gotten in the back of DeFrancisco. DeFrancisco down hard. Deegan back to the motorcycle. And that's shaking things up. Oh.
When I'm watching Haiden, I anticipated him to kind of move up the field. I mean, he knows exactly what's at stake. I mean, he has to win. And he's got a lot of work to do.
I do believe Haiden Deegan can get back up. You can tell the way he's riding. He's ready to go.
So the clock told the story. Could have been 2 to go. The clock expired. 1 to go. Not enough time. And the nerves began to climb. And now the revs as well. Gates down. And don't count out Eli Tomac. Also Justin Cooper in third of the 32. And Tomac continues to set up Hunter Lawrence. Different lines. Tomac to the lead. And this crowd will come to life if Tomac can make this move the 6-time 450 champion. Still at the sharp end of the field. Eli Tomac, the 32-year-old father of 3 out of Cortez, Colorado. Can he get it done?
Man, this guy, the intensity that Eli has right now, it is super impressive.
Tomac, a great run for second to split the Lawrences and try to keep his hopes alive if something were to go wild in the second moto. Here it is, Deegan and Shimoda next to each other on the line. How will they play it? And they're bumping and banging right off the gate.
And normally when riders are battling like this, they lose that time to Seth, but they haven't.
And Deegan makes the move with the look back at Kitchen. That could actually benefit Shimoda. Oh, they almost touch.
Hayden's got some incredible lines through that tight stuff.
Inside line, Deegan sends it. Wheel to wheel.
Oh,
and he runs into it.
Oh.
It's a drag race on the drag strip. Deegan in the lead.
If he tries to take Joe down, then he's leaving it in the hands of the refs. If I'm Joe, I just stay behind him.
Oh, here it is. And Joe got by.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I can tell you this ain't gonna sit well with the AMA.
This is unbelievable. And no one's more confused than Joe. There it is. He rammed him. Now Hammaker's back in it.
Take that back. Yeah.
Just watch it play out and see what happens.
He's back to him again. He goes by. He cuts him off. He looks over. He slows down. He's doing it again.
Oh boy.
There it is. He hit him, but he didn't knock him off the track. Oh, and now they're both down. And there goes Hammaker. Exactly the way Hammaker lost the title in Salt Lake City. And Deegan has called it.
Oh,
Deegan's walking off.
Yeah, he was pointing at his collarbone.
Oh no. There's Deegan now out of the Alpine Stars medical unit. Again, we confirmed it's a broken collarbone. The revs are up. Gates down.
The Pro Motocross Championship when I was watching.
Oh, Cooper tuck the front. Gonna help both Tomac and Jet Lawrence move further forward. Eli Tomac up front again. Cooper Webb. If Tomac could get to the front here and win this moto, get the lead, 2-1, would win the overall. Then he needs one rider to get between him and the Lawrences in the overall. But Tomac, kind of the same thing Will said, the way this night is shaking out, Tomac's got to take his best shot at it. Oh, he tries to cut down like he did in the first moto.
Watch, he's going to cut to the inside right here.
And Eli Tomac, not sure what happened there in those final laps, will end up third in the race, third in the overall, third in the championship.